Okay, cool. So what your sliders say about you? Alright, starting off we got the Nike sliders. Alright, so if you rock the Nike sliders, you are on the block. You are on the block more than a prostitute on a Friday night.
You want to do some business?
What sort of business?
Sex.
You're joking, but you're just eating it, yeah?
No, I'm alright. I'm alright.
You got all curry around your mouth and that. I
I'm
can't
alright.
be dealing with that.
Come on, babe.
If you do wear these sliders, you are definitely the type of guy to wear tracksuit bottoms underneath a pair of jeans. Definitely the type of guy to go jail for his boys but won't go to the shop for his mum.
We've talked about it. Let me speak!
And with that being said, if you do wear these sliders, you definitely have a good relationship with your local shopkeeper. Most definitely know each other on first name basis.
Dickhead! Hey, you are the real dickhead! Please, leave now! Hey, and tell your dad, we have the latest edition of BBC Bird Hunter magazine he asked for. $2.99. Hey, $2.99. Make sure you tell him, Kenneth.
My name is Kay, okay? My name is Kay.
Okay, my ass banchot gandu, leave!
But yeah, if you wear these, certified block boy. And I'm not even joking, if you see a guy wearing these on your block, don't even approach him because he is comfortable, like probably too comfortable. Best believe that man fears nothing. Alright, cool. Moving on to the Gucci sliders. If you wear Gucci sliders, you probably think you're above everyone else in the social hierarchy.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.
And if you wear these, you definitely pray that someone would give you a compliment on them just for you to turn around and be like, oh, what, these old things? Bruv, shut up. Stop acting like you didn't spend the last 4 months saving up your McDonald's wage just to buy these sliders. Just a quick one, if you are liking this video, please subscribe. Don't wait until I come up in your recommended list because one day I won't be there and you'll lose my channel forever. So subscribe and let's get back into it. Type of guy to listen to that Future bar where he goes, I'm fucking your girl in Gucci sliders, and he actually thinks that he's him. The only thing that you're fucking in them sliders is your hand. Alright, cool. Now we got the Adidas sliders, and I call these the all-purpose sliders. These sliders were made for any occasion you might have in life. You need to quickly take the kids to school? No issue. You need to take the bins out? Chuck on the Adidas sliders. You need to do some gardening? No worries. You need something to beat your kids with? No problem. But on the real though, I don't really have nothing too bad to say about these sliders. Like, these sliders are very comfortable and very durable, so yeah. But with that being said, if you do wear these sliders, you most likely wear them more than actual shoes. Okay, and now we've got everyone's favorite sliders, Crocs. Okay, so if you wear Crocs, you was definitely that person 5 years ago that used to laugh at people if they wore Crocs. And look at you now, jumping on the bandwagon because everyone else is wearing them. Good job you. And now you have 7 different pairs and now you recommend them to all of your friends. No, real talk, shame on you. Stop following trends and stop being a sheep and get your own fashion. Okay, Puma slides. You already know what I think about Puma, so it goes the same with the sliders. You're a side man. It only makes sense because Puma also rhymes with loser. So if you wear these, you are a certified loser because you wear Puma. Alright, and now we've got the sliders with the straps. Just, this actually annoys me so much. People will get these sliders and then they'll think they're some like smart genius or something. Like, bruv, if you wanted a bit of footwear that was secure to your feet, just get a pair of shoes. Now we've got the new sliders. I'm not sure what exactly they're called, so I'm just going to call them the new sliders. To be fair, I don't have nothing bad to say about these sliders. If you wear them, kudos to you because, yeah, these are 30 sliders. Cool style, look mad comfortable, and yeah, these sliders do get a pass. Alright, now we've got the Yeezy foam runners. All I'm saying is paying over 100 for a bit of rubber on your feet. Are you not embarrassed? No, because they go over double resale. Shut up, mate. Shut your mouth. But yes lads, that's going to be it for today's video. I know a lot of you do like these type of videos. I'm sort of struggling to find like concepts for this type of video style, so if you got any what this would say about you type of videos, put them in the comment section. I'll definitely will do them. And yeah, if you did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and also subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.